Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Edith, and on this video today I want to talk to you a little bit more about Ocutamin, okay? Before I tell you any information about this product, I want to give you an important alert. Please be careful with the website, with the place you're going to order Ocutamin from, okay? Because today Ocutamin is only sold on the official website. And to help you out, I'm leaving the link down below in the description of this video. When I finish this video, when you finish watching this video, you can go there and check everything out, okay? Now let me answer some of the most important questions there is about Ocutamin. So you can go ahead and select one of the packages with full confidence. Okay, I'm gonna be talking about the packages as well later on. So stay tuned. The first question is Ocutamin right for me? So, if you suffer from vision loss and haven't been able to stop the deterioration of your eyesight, then Ocutamin is definitely right for you. The key to fighting this invisible enemy, the dangerous environmental toxins, which are the real cause of sight loss, is a set of natural compounds recently discovered in some specific plants and herbs. Okay? Ocutamin is a 100% natural supplement which contains all the powerful ingredients from these superfoods plus a mix of specific vitamins to boost their power. Once you start taking Ocutamin, it will form a natural immune barrier to protect your eyes from the toxin infestation and start to repair the damage it has caused. And after these dangerous chemicals are flushed out of your system, your vision will start to improve in almost no time and you will be back to the 2020 crystal clear vision you deserved from the moment you were born. Next question is Ocutamin is safe to use? Guys, Ocutamin has been successfully tested by more than 87,000 men and women from all over the world with no reported side effects. Ocutamin addresses the real root cause of your vision loss in an extremely safe and natural way. Now, of course, if you suffer from allergies or other certain medical conditions at this very moment, I strongly advise you that you consult with your medical doctor first, okay? And how should you use Ocutamin? In order to achieve optimal results, I recommend you take one power capsule after breakfast, lunch, or dinner daily with a big glass of water, okay? It should provide you with the necessary energy intake as well as extra protection against the dangerous environmental chemicals. And what about the risk-free guarantee? So the manufacturer is so confident about the formula that will help you restore your vision that he decided to give you a risk-free 60-day money-back guarantee when you secure your order today. Every single bottle of Ocutamin comes with the personal promise it will work for you and 60-day 100% money back guarantee. Even if you're only 99% satisfied and you don't want Ocutamin anymore, just send them an email asking for a refund and they will refund you every penny of your investment. No questions asked, no hassle, no red tape, okay? So, what are you waiting for? You're covered and you are guaranteed. So guys, if you go to the link down below in the description of this video, which is of the official website, you can find the options, okay? The options to buy the packages. So one single bottle comes with 30 days supply, right? The package of 3 bottles comes with 90 days supply and you save $180. And the 6 bottles comes with 180 days supply and you can save $300, right? So check it out, go to the website and you can find much more information there as well. I hope I helped you with this review and I see you next time. Bye.